Hey travel enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something truly breathtaking for you. Stunning drone footage that will make you want to pack your bags and hop on the next flight. We're talking about aerial views that capture the essence of travel like nothing else can. First up, let's soar over the crystal clear waters of the Maldives. From above you can see the turquoise lagoons and overwater bungalows that make this place a true paradise. Imagine waking up to that view every morning. It's like something out of a dream, right? Next we're heading to the majestic Grand Canyon. Seeing this natural wonder from above is an entirely different experience. The way the light hits the rugged terrain, casting shadows that dance across the canyon walls, is absolutely mesmerizing. You can almost feel the history etched into those rocks. Now let's glide over the vibrant cityscape of Tokyo at night. The city lights flicker like stars and the bustling streets below look like veins of energy. From this vantage point you can truly appreciate the blend of modernity and tradition that makes Tokyo so unique. And we can't forget the lush greenery of Bali. Our drone takes us over terraced rice fields that stretch as far as the eye can see. The vibrant green hues and the intricate patterns are simply stunning. It's a serene, almost meditative sight that perfectly captures the island's tranquility. Finally, let's venture to the icy expanse of Iceland. The drone sweeps over glaciers and volcanoes, giving us a glimpse of nature's raw power. The stark contrast between the icy blue and volcanic black is nothing short of spectacular. It's a land of extremes, and seeing it from the air is an adventure in itself. So what do you think? Ready to explore the world from above? Drones offer a whole new perspective on travel, letting us see places in ways that were once impossible. Whether you're capturing the serene beauty of a remote island or the dynamic energy of a bustling city, drone footage can elevate your travel experience to new heights. If you enjoyed this virtual flight, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more epic travel content. Leave a comment below telling me where you'd like to see from the sky next. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Catch you later.